Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the network name and exact password so the QR payload will connect correctly. This avoids typos. Once done, open your QR scanning app or the native camera and grant camera access if prompted. Position your device 6 to 12 inches from the QR code, hold steady, and make sure there's even lighting, no glare or heavy backlight. If the code is on a screen, reduce brightness slightly so the scanner reads contrast cleanly. You'll align the QR code inside the scanner's frame and wait for it to detect and decode. Most apps do this automatically. When decoded, pause and read the SSID, security type, and password to verify they match what you expect. This prevents joining rogue networks. Then tap the connect or join prompt. Make sure to choose whether to auto-join in future. This saves time, but consider privacy when on public networks. If prompted, accept any additional system dialogues to complete setup. You finish by confirming your device reports a connection and has an IP address. Open a browser to verify internet access. If it fails, rescan the QR to ensure the SSID and password were correct and that encryption type matches the router. Sometimes rescanning in better light or from a slightly different angle helps. For stubborn cases, toggle Wi-Fi off and on or briefly enable airplane mode to force a new DHCP request.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.